What is diaphragmatic breathing?
Diaphragmatic breathing, also called abdominal or belly breathing, uses your diaphragm, a key breathing muscle, rather than shallow chest breaths. This method taps into your body's natural calming system, soothing stress and anxiety. Learning this simple technique can help you feel grounded during anxious moments and supports long-term emotional well-being.
Why diaphragmatic breathing calms the mind?
When you breathe slowly and deeply with your diaphragm, you stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system. This triggers your body's relaxation response, lowering your heart rate and reducing stress hormones. Practicing diaphragmatic breathing regularly can help ease anxiety, promote clearer thinking, and improve mood over time.
How to practice diaphragmatic breathing?
Begin by sitting or lying comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly expand while your chest stays mostly still. Exhale gently through your mouth. Aim for slow, even breaths, focusing on the rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath.
Tips for beginners.
Practice diaphragmatic breathing for 5 to 10 minutes a day. If you get dizzy or uncomfortable, pause and return to your natural breath. Be patient. New habits take time. Using calming music or counting as you breathe can make practice easier. Over time, your ability to relax this way will improve.
Making diaphragmatic breathing a daily habit.
Integrate this breathing technique into your daily routine. Try it when you wake up, before sleeping, or during stressful moments. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Over time, diaphragmatic breathing can become a powerful, accessible tool to promote calm and boost your overall mental health.